Hello everyone, my name is Atif. I'm the sales and leasing consultant here at Planet Ford, and I'm going to be doing a walk around of this beast right here, the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat. This is the 502A trim level in agate black color. This particular vehicle has the Sport Appearance package, which you'll notice will give you the body colored bumpers, and it will give you the 20-inch upgraded wheels. They come standard with an 18-inch, but we have upgraded the wheels to 20-inch on this. In the front, the Lariat 502A comes equipped with the quad beam LED headlamps. The vehicle is also equipped with a front collision warning system with automatic emergency braking, which is now standardized for the 2020 model year. This 2020 F-150 Lariat 502 is also equipped with a 5-liter V8, which is dubbed Coyote in the Ford world. It comes with 395 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, and it gives you just under 11,000 pounds of towing capacity, set up with the 4x4. Now, coming to the side of the vehicle, this particular F-150 is equipped with the power deployable running boards. So when I open the door, you'll notice that the running boards come out by themselves. All right, coming to the rear of the F-150, on the Lariat you do get the soft open tailgate, which has dampers installed on the back. This vehicle is also equipped with a tailgate step, and that makes it easier to climb into the back of the vehicle. It's a very easy process, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, and it locks in, and then you can climb into the back of the truck. A very unique feature, nobody else offers something like this. And the F-150 is the only vehicle that offers this. In the back of the truck, this vehicle is also equipped with the cargo management system with the locking cleats in it. Plus you have your LED lights as well in the back. You got 2 in the back over here and then 1 in the top over there. Allows you to illuminate the bed in case you need it. This vehicle is also equipped with the FX4 package, which is an off-road package, which gives you more beefed up suspension, and it gives you skid plates underneath. So in case you decide to go off-road, you can definitely do that. Also adds an electronic locking differential, so you can lock your differential and have traction to all 4 wheels available to you. This is the interior of the 2020 F-150. As part of the Lariat 502A package, what you'll notice is you have your leather seats all around. What you're also getting in the Lariat trim level is memory seating for the front driver's side with 3 different setting options, which means you can set your driver's seat and your steering wheel and your pedals, which are power adjustable, so you can raise and lower the pedals to your specifications and then store it over here in your driver's seat memory side. You also get heated and cool seats in the front. You also get heated seats in the back as part of the Lariat 502A package. Every F-150 in the Lariat trim level comes equipped with lots of power outlets. You have another feature right here, which is exclusive to Ford, which is the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. This vehicle is also equipped with a front-facing camera and a 360 camera, which when I press this button, you'll notice that it engages the camera. I have different options for the camera as well, which gives me a front angle view, and I can widen that view as well if I'm going around tight corners. This vehicle is also equipped with a twin panel moonroof, which goes all the way back. It's a panoramic moonroof. This particular truck also has the full trailer tow package, which gives you the trailer brake controller, which is installed right over here. Gives you a better braking system with your trailer attached. Hey guys, welcome back to the 2020 F-150, and this time I'll be driving the vehicle. And you do have this leather wrap steering wheel, which is also heated, which is great for winter months. Standard on this vehicle is the blind spot information system with cross traffic alert. The blind spot can also be adjusted if you add a trailer. And then this vehicle is also equipped with a technology package along with the adaptive cruise control option. What the technology package does, it adds your 360 camera, so quite a nifty feature over there. You also have your lane keeping assist, which is standard on the Lariat 502A. It also gives you active park assist. What this does is allows you to parallel park the vehicle without having any full driver input. All you have to do is use the accelerator and brake and let the truck do everything else with steering the vehicle into the parking spot. Thank you so much guys for watching my walk around video for the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat 502A. It is the #1 selling truck in the world and North America by far. And there's a reason for it, because it is the best truck in the market. Why should you come to Planet Ford? Well, that poster speaks for itself. Your truck superstore, best deal guaranteed. And we try to add a personal touch there as well. We're also taking lots of precautions because of COVID-19 for your safety and ours, and we have lots of safety measures in place. We have masks available if you come into the store. We have sanitizer everywhere stationed as well for you, and to keep everything safe and COVID-free. Please get in touch, and we're here at Planet Ford.